I'm not sure if I quite got the concept of how is that Hashem removed Pharaoh's free will, so to speak, and then he punished him for it. Like, not sure if I don't know if I could, figure out the contradiction in my head properly.
Okay,
like,
so
can you elaborate a little bit further?
Okay, so we didn't discuss it, just so you know. You didn't get it because they were never discussed. That's a good point. Okay, but let me explain so we be on the same page. So I think first 5 plagues, was Pharaoh had the free choice. So I'm going to go by Rashi. It's simpler, right? And so first 5 plagues. His magicians were able to copy, to reproduce. It was not exactly the same, but close, right? So some were close. Even though they, for example, they were able to turn water into blood, but blood into water they were not able to, and all other things, right? But the last, the 6th one, it was. What is it? The small ants. What is it called? I forgot. The flea or something, right? So since they are very small, these Egyptians were not able to do the magic. And Rambam explains differently, but for the sake of shortness, I'm going to go by Rashi. So Rashi explains why, based on the Gemara. So the magic does not work on things smaller than the barley seed. Okay, so for whatever reason, and these things for sure they were smaller than that, and they say that's a finger of God, right? So they said to Pharaoh, we cannot reproduce it, right? So and he was almost ready to let go of the Jewish people. HaShem said, no. I have to glorify myself, and the whole nation, the whole world, have to know who am I, right? And and this is my nation. You understand? And he hardened the Pharaoh's heart. What does it mean, harden somebody's heart? Person knows the facts, so they tell him the facts, and he ignores them. For example, I give you an example. So somebody has shown. I had to deal with some alcoholics in my life, right? And a person, after he overdrank, right? So he's after in the morning he swears he's never going to do it again, ever, and he love you and he kiss you, hug you. It smells bad, right? That you save him and this and that. And guess what? The very next morning, like a few days later, he's going to do exactly the same. You understand? So it's like they know they know the outcome, but they still cannot resist. So same is here. So this Hashem hardened the Pharaoh's heart, meaning that he knew what that it's going to be. It's going to be the repercussions of his action, but still he decided I cannot let them go, right? So he just ignored the reality, and he was living through the plagues with everybody else, and he was not exactly stupid. But Hashem help him to think about positively, think positively. Right? This I think that there is expression, which I don't like. So expression is think good and it will be good. And some people they actually have a cards and they give out these cards and say think good and it's going to be good. So, but of course, in Judaism does not work this way. You have to do good in order to be good. Just because you're thinking you're laying on your couch and think about the positive thoughts, it's not going to help you, right? But that's some people do, right? And so that's the story with a Pharaoh. So Hashem just direct his thoughts little to the side. So always think that it's a last plague and and that's it. You understand? So that's in a nutshell what's going on.